get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good Saturday morning. It is Saturday, right? Okay. The 24th, I believe. Of August. I almost said October. Oh God.
Close.
Supposed to be a beautiful day. Bob and Amy are behind us. We got a couple stops. We're going out to eat. To the place we went to a couple days ago.
Rosie's Hilltop Diner.
And then from Rosie's, we're going to go to cross up on the hill or something like that. It's in Weedville. Supposed to be a beautiful view. We will see.
Make sure they're behind us.
Yeah, they're still behind us. We haven't lost them yet. So stay tuned. And don't forget, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss anything. And leave it a comment. There's a pretty view. Very nice. We're on Toby Road in wherever. The township of Fox.
Yeah, Fox Township.
Yeah. Well, we just leaving Rose's Hilltop Diner.
Yep.
We was there 2 days ago. We liked it. We brought Bob and Amy back so they can enjoy it. And another delicious meal. Now we're off to
Crossing the hill.
the cross on top of the hill or something like that. Supposed to be a beautiful view. We'll have to check it out. So stay tuned. Just check out the view. Wowee. We did see Bigfoot and Littlefoot way down in the valley. Well, we did it again. This turned into a dirt road. So we're backtracking and try to reroute, come in a different way. They still had over a mile to go down a dirt road. I don't think so.
1.25 miles. Turn left on McClintock Road.
No, we're not taking that one either. Oh, we'll see if we can find a different way in. here's the view from the cross. Isn't that beautiful? That is, what a beautiful view, hon. We're looking for Bigfoot. We've seen him on the other road, but I can't.
That might be over there.
Yeah, I don't know. Beautiful.
Don't you dare roll down early.
Well, that was a spectacular view. Wow.
Breathtaking.
Yes.
I know we said that a lot, but it really, really was.
And there's a house right next to it. A few hundred feet or something from the parking lot, and it gets to look at that every morning. The sunrise. Oh. Beautiful. It was a good find. You think that gentleman from Rosie's Hilltop Diner that told us about it a couple days ago. Home sweet home. A beautiful ride today, but it's getting a little too warm. Woo. Well, thanks for coming along with us, and subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure, whenever that might be. Thanks again.